Okay, the last common thing that you need to do for your teaching and learning images is to export them out into a final compressed image. And we're going to go into a lot more detail on ways to do this later in the course, but I wanted to walk you through a super quick way of kicking out the most common type of image that you'll likely need, and that's a compressed JPEG image. Now, under the File menu, go down to the Export menu, and the top item there is Quick Export To, and it usually defaults to a PNG file. This is a great choice for many files, but JPEGs are what we usually need in teaching and learning. So let's make a change to our Photoshop preferences by going up to the Photoshop menu and selecting Preferences and General on the Mac, or the Edit menu, and down near the bottom of the menu, you should find Preferences on Windows, and select General. Photoshop has a ton of preferences that you can configure to make the application work the way that you need it to work for you. Now, I'd encourage you to take some time and click through each of the items on the left and look through all of the available options on your own. For now, click Export in the left column, and then let's change the Quick Export Format drop-down menu to JPEG. Set the quality to 100%. Make sure under Quick Export Location is set to ask where to export each time. And then in color space, make sure the checkbox is set for Convert to sRGB. sRGB is the color space profile that's most commonly used in teaching and learning. Then click the OK button. Now, go back up to the File menu, down to Export, and now your Quick Export option is set to JPEG. Select it, and Photoshop prompts you for where you want to save your file to. I'll select my desktop and then click Save. Now, it doesn't appear that anything much has happened, but if you minimize Photoshop, you can see your newly compressed JPEG right there on your desktop, ready to go.